Hi, this is Miss S. This video is for tenors, measures 5 through measure 20 of Confitemini Domino. Tenors, please be thinking of these four things. 1. Vowel shapes. 2. How to use soft consonants as a springboard into vowel shapes. 3. Dynamics as we sing through the repetitive phrases. Make sure they're building. And last, please be thinking about rhythm, especially measures 12 into 13 as you sing an echo part for the sopranos and altos part. Okay, let's get started. All right, let's begin. Starting pitch. 1, 2, here we go. Confitemini Domino. Confitemini Domino. Quaniam bonus. Quaniam bonus. Confitemini Domino. Confitemini Domino. Quaniam bonus. Quaniam bonus.